Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you about the mitochondria. So first of all, we're gonna see the introduction of mitochondria. So the mitochondria is basically the double membrane bounded organelle, right? It is basically the double membrane bounded organelle, okay? Double membrane bounded organelle, right? And the mitochondria is one of the largest cell organelle involved in eukaryotes, or in animals you can say largest cell organelle in eukaryotes or in animals, okay? But if you talk about the largest cell organelle, if you talk about the plant, so the largest organelle in plant is, first we have chloroplast in plants. After the second largest is mitochondria in plants. But if you talk about the animals, so mitochondria is the largest cell organelle. So these are both what in the plants. So first one is chloroplast, second is mitochondria in plants. Okay, hopefully this is clear to you till that. Now mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of cell. Powerhouse of cell, or mitochondria is known as ATP mill of cell because it produces the energy ATP, so it is also known as ATP mill of cells. Fine. Now we're gonna see the mitochondria. Okay, here the one term is mitoplast. So now what is mitoplast? So here the term is mitoplast. Mitoplast. Now what exactly mitoplast is? It is basically cell membrane, you can say mitochondria minus cell membrane is called mitoplast. Okay, hopefully till that is clear to you. Guys. Now I'm going to make the picture of mitochondria so it can be very easily, you can easily understand, right? Here we have fold. Now why in the mitochondria fold are important? So these fold basically increase the surface area of mitochondria, okay? Increase the surface area. This is outer membrane, this is inner membrane, this is mitochondrial matrix, this here we have circular DNA. So one main thing you have to know that in the mitochondria the circular DNA is present. Not linear. In human body linear DNA is present, but in mitochondria there is circular DNA. Fine. And here the ribosomes are present. Those are 70S ribosome. Fine. Now I'm gonna tell you about the outermost membrane is basically the smooth surface. While inner membrane is rough. Right. In the outer membrane the protein and lipids ratio is basically not same. So that is protein ratio is more than lipid and your lipid is less. So ratio is 2:1. Protein are more in outer membrane and less in lipids. Fine. Now here inner membrane. Inner membrane is tough in, we can say, structure, and here in the inner membrane the lipid and protein ratio is same, and that is 1:1. Fine. Now here why these folds are present, which increase the surface area. Increase surface area. Now here again this is the circular DNA which is present, and this is the double strand DNA, and here GC is in GC rich. Now what actually GC is? This is the guanine and cytosine are rich. Okay, while in the animal, you can say eukaryotes, 80 is rich. Okay, 80 means adenine and thymine is rich, while in the, we can say, circular DNA of mitochondria, the guanine and cytosine are rich. These are the nitrogenous bases. Okay, so these are rich. Now here we have what? These are in the prokaryotes. Fine. Here these are also known as finger-like projections. Finger-like projections. Fine. Hopefully that is clear to you. Now I'm gonna tell you about the aerobic respiration. Fine. So let me get the heading of that. Aerobic respiration. Fine. Now here aerobic respiration means the respiration which is done in the presence of oxygen. Fine. So first of all, here cytoplasm, the matrix of mitochondria. Okay, here one thing let me tell you, the space between outer membrane and inner membrane is known as intermembrane space. Okay, intermembrane space. Fine. Okay, in the cytoplasm the process occurs that is glycolysis, while in the matrix cytoplasm, in the cell here we have cytoplasm, in that the glycolysis process occur. In this matrix, mitochondrial matrix, here Krebs cycle process occur. Fine. While here inner membrane, here the process occur that is electron transport chain. These all three processes we're gonna discuss in the bioenergetics chapter. So be patient, we will discuss each and everything in that topic. So the glycolysis occur in cytoplasm, Krebs cycle process occur in matrix, inner membrane, electron transport. This is the inner membrane, and here the channel proteins are present, in which the electron transport chain occur. Fine. Here hopefully till that is clear to you guys. Now here one thing let me tell you, enzyme which is present in the DNA replication, so that is DNA polymerase, but enzyme which is present for the RNA replication, that is RNA polymerase. These are the enzymes. So why? Here let me tell you one clear concept, that mitochondria is like the nucleus. This mitochondria have their own, we can say, DNA, RNA, protein synthesis, their replication, all. Mitochondria is independent. Mitochondria do not depend on anyone, but sometimes it depend on nucleus and cytoplasm, because from cytoplasm glycolysis processes occur, and from nucleus there are some proteins which are helpful in the mitochondria process. So that's why. And here this mitochondria is basically the semi autonomous. Now what does the semi autonomous means this do not depend on anything because it has own DNA, own RNA, own protein synthesis, own ribosome, and this totally. So here in our body or in the universe we have only two cell organelles like cytochloroplast and mitochondria. Those have everything and those work as independent. Fine. Hopefully till that is clear to you. In the next video we're gonna continue from here. So bye bye.